how many does this thing hold?
Solenoids and stuff, all this silicone. One malfunction.
Yo, Mike. What is this? Huey? What? Huh? Don't know?
I need to check outside. I think it's Jenna.
What is it, bro?
I think it's Jenna, but I need to go outside to see it.